So if you're into automation, you probably know just how powerful n8n can be. But what if you could tap into a massive pre-built library to solve almost any automation challenge in an instant? Well, today we're going to dive into a total game-changing community project that does exactly that.
Have you ever been there? You're staring at a blank canvas in n8n. You know exactly what you want to do, but you just feel completely stuck on where to even start building the workflow.
Yeah, it's a huge pain, right? You need this complex, multi-step process, but digging around for the right example or just starting from zero, it's often this slow, time-consuming grind. And look, this is a hurdle for so many of us. You see the outcome you want, but piecing together all the technical steps, the right nodes, the logic, it can be a major roadblock. But what if the solution was already built for you? What if you had instant access to this many solutions, just ready to go? 4,343. And that's not some hypothetical number. That's the exact number of production-ready workflows you can get your hands on right now to solve your problems. So what is this incredible resource? It's a community project called the n8n Workflow Collection, put together by GitHub user Z619 and a whole team of contributors. It's really built to be the definitive answer to that blank canvas problem. At its heart, this thing is a massive open-source library. You should think of it like a super specialized search engine just for n8n automations, and every single one is tested and ready for you to import directly into your own projects. We're talking hours of work saved. Now, let's talk about these numbers, because the scale here is just wild. We're not just talking about over 4,000 workflows. Those workflows connect 365 unique apps and services using almost 30,000 nodes in total. But honestly, the most important number on this entire screen, that 100% import success rate. It means these aren't just theoretical ideas, they are solid, reliable solutions that are built to just work. Okay, so with a library this huge, you might be thinking finding the right workflow must be like finding a needle in a haystack. But nope, the interface is brilliantly designed to make that search incredibly easy. Let's take a quick look. So everything kicks off with this simple but really powerful search bar. You can type in an app name like Telegram or Gmail, or even a function like calculation. The system uses full-text search, so it scans everything, names, descriptions, even the individual nodes inside the workflows to find exactly what you need. But beyond that basic search, this is where the real magic happens, the filters. Need something for your marketing team? Just filter by the marketing category. Looking for a simple starting point? Filter by low complexity. You can even zero in on workflows by their trigger type or the specific services they use. It lets you pinpoint the perfect solution in just seconds. And just to give you a taste of what's in here, the range is seriously impressive. You've got your practical, everyday tasks like pulling comments from a Facebook page. But then you've also got these incredibly advanced automations, like using AI to auto-tag your WordPress blog posts, or a whole multi-step process for scraping and enriching sales leads from LinkedIn. Each one is a ready-to-go solution to a real business problem. All right, let's peek under the hood for a second and talk about performance. This isn't just a simple collection of files sitting in a folder. Oh no, this is a highly optimized application designed from the ground up for speed and efficiency. And check out these improvements over the project's older versions. The performance gains are staggering. Search responses are now under 100 milliseconds. It uses 40 times less memory, and the entire project is 700 times smaller. What that means for you is an incredibly fast, lightweight, and responsive experience. It's just snappy. So how did they pull that off? Well, it's all about a smart, modern tech stack. The backend is running on Python with FastAPI, which is a framework known for being ridiculously fast. The database is a lightweight SQLite file, but it's supercharged with a full-text search extension. And that's why your queries are so quick. It's a perfect example of choosing the right tools for the job. Okay, so I'm guessing by now you're probably ready to try this thing out. And the great news is, getting started is super simple. You've got two great options, depending on how you like to work. By far the easiest way is the online version. There is zero installation, you just go to the URL and boom, you have instant access to the entire searchable library. It's fast, it works on mobile, and you can download the workflow files right from your browser. Now, if you're the type who likes to run things locally, the Docker installation is just as easy. It's literally a two-step process. You open your terminal, and you run one single command. And this is the command, that's it, one line. You copy it, you paste it, you hit enter, and the entire application is up and running on your own machine. It really doesn't get much easier than that. Finally, let's talk about what truly makes this project so special. Because beyond the impressive tech and the sheer number of workflows, it's the vibrant community that really drives it forward. You can literally see that community confidence right here. Over 40,000 stars on GitHub. Now, in the open source world, that is a massive vote of confidence. It means that thousands upon thousands of developers and automation experts trust this project and find it incredibly valuable. This quote from the project's page really says it all, doesn't it? This is a passion project. It's built by people who love automation and just want to help others succeed. It's a resource made for the community by the community. Which brings us to the final, and I think the most exciting question. With a library of over 4,300 production-ready workflows right at your fingertips, the only thing left to ask is, what problem are you going to solve and what will you automate first?